Hello, good afternoon. My name is Justin. My feelings. I have many feelings. Some are good, some are bad. I am angry when I break my toy. I am sad when the fun ends. I am tired after playing. I am excited when I go to the playground. I am hungry when I see food. Now I am happy to see you. Thank you.